guys, I'm Musik and you're on Artist Life. Thank you so much for coming to my studio. I want to show you around the space that I have the pleasure of working in. So, and also it is a school, so you'll see some benches everywhere. So I'll show you that in a few seconds. And this is where I work. I enjoy my fish there, and that's where I sit over there. So again, today I have some odd end projects that I'm going to be working on. So please join me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Press the like button and the share button, okay? So if you're ready, let's go. All right, guys, so this is one of the projects that I had started a while ago, and after looking at it, I decided to just come back to it. Originally, I wanted the absence of the face to evoke thought and contemplation from the audience. This is why it is signed. If you look down here, I've signed it, and however, after further deliberation, I decided to make an abstract face right here. If you look at the lines, I actually drew them out and put a little mustache and the eyes. So what I need to do though is I need to come back and just get rid of this line and most probably just shade this in. So I'll work on that in the next few minutes, and you know, that'll be it with this project. Hopefully I'll just leave it alone and not come back to it. Okay, I am set with my colors. So I have titanium white, lemon yellow, cad red, ultramarine blue, and ivory black. Okay, so here we go. And also linseed oil, just in case I need it. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is take the titanium white and try to get rid of this line. Okay, so I'm just getting rid of that. I might need 2 layers because sometimes titanium white is translucent, so that will help me to cover up any imperfections that I might have that I'm trying to get rid of. So let's grab this small brush and in between the fingers right there and here, and also right here. Okay. Right, so almost done with this part. Now, what I have to do next is make sure I'm covering up all this area. Okay. All right, so as far as the drawing is concerned, right here, this line, it will disappear eventually. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. So for now, I can take my finger and just kind of like blend that in too. Okay, so for now I can probably just leave that alone. All right, and maybe start on the eyes. Okay, what I am going to do now is go ahead and take care of this portion. Okay, so let's get the color ready. So this is going to be off-white. So right here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to work on the features like the eyes and the mustache, okay? Well guys, I am done with this painting. Hope you had fun for the last few minutes. Until next time, okay? So happy painting! There it is!